Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're taking a look at one of the best low-profile baitcast fishing reel out there, combining power, precision, and durability. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, this reel is built to impress. Let's get started. Product features: lightweight and durable construction. The Revo X features a C6 carbon frame, which makes the reel both lightweight and incredibly strong. This means less fatigue during those long fishing trips. Its asymmetrical body design adds to its durability without adding bulk, so you get a compact, reliable reel that stands up to tough fishing conditions. Smooth operation with 8 stainless steel bearings. Inside the reel, you'll find 8 high-quality bearings, 7 HPCR stainless steel, and 1 roller bearing that work together to provide buttery smooth casting and retrieval. The instant anti-reverse feature prevents unwanted backlash or slack, ensuring your hook sets firmly every time. Impressive line recovery rate. With a 6.7:1 gear ratio, the Revo X retrieves 27 inches of line per crank, giving you fast, efficient line pickup. This is perfect for quickly reeling in fast-moving fish or making quick adjustments during your fishing session. Powerful carbon matrix drag system. The reel comes equipped with a carbon matrix drag system that delivers up to 20 pounds of smooth, consistent drag pressure. This drag system is reliable and prevents sudden jerks, helping you maintain control when battling larger fish. MagTrax brake system for consistent control. The MagTrax brake system allows precise control of brake pressure, minimizing backlash and improving casting accuracy and distance. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this feature helps you fine-tune your casts to match the conditions perfectly. Pros: lightweight yet durable carbon frame reduces fatigue. Smooth and responsive with 8 stainless steel bearings. Fast line retrieval at 27 inches per crank. Strong, smooth carbon matrix drag system. MagTrax braking system reduces backlash, improves casting. Versatile line capacity for mono and braided lines. Cons: might be pricey for casual or beginner anglers. Requires some practice to master baitcast reel casting technique. Limited saltwater specific features, better suited for freshwater fishing. Final thoughts. The Abu Garcia Revo X low-profile baitcast reel is a fantastic option for anglers seeking a lightweight, durable reel that doesn't compromise on performance. Its smooth bearings, powerful drag, and precise brake system make it an excellent tool for catching a wide variety of fish. Whether you're chasing bass in freshwater lakes or fishing in rivers, the Revo X offers versatility and reliability to enhance your experience. Check the price link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more honest, detailed gear reviews. Thanks for watching.